If you want to leave a Telegram group on your PC, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a moment. Whether the group is no longer relevant, it has become too noisy, or you simply want to clean up your chats, leaving a group in Telegram is fast and easy. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Once Telegram loads, look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all of your chats, channels, and groups are listed. So take a moment to find the group you want to leave. If you have a lot of conversations, you may need to scroll a little until you see the correct group name or icon. When you found it, right-click on the group's name or icon. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Leave Group. Telegram will usually ask you to confirm your choice, so just click Leave Again to make sure you really want to exit the group. And that's it. You've now left the Telegram group successfully. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click, and now you can keep your chat list organized and focused on the conversations that matter most to you. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.